Hey guys, Daryl from Strikehold and Alpha LED. I'd just like to do a quick shout out storymonial, which is a video version of your story. And this is directed at Chantal Gerardy, who is an online strategist who really has helped us grow our business. So, started for me about 22 months ago, just not quite 2 years, but very close. Did a Facebook challenge, which is a 14-day challenge. That for me was quite exciting. Chantal's very good at organising things, so typically 7 a.m. every day my task came through and I was waiting. So then I jumped on it, actually got through, and we went through the 14 days, and quite surprisingly, which was great for me, that I actually won the competition. So it then sort of opened me up a little bit more to the online social media marketplace. So as of that, then I just started to study it and jumped in with Chantal on some workshops. Really dived deep into some of the one-on-ones. She hit me up straight away. Like, the lighting was quite easy. We got things happening there straight away. So we improved our sales, and this was all organic. There was no paid ads involved. So it was straight organic, instant success with the lighting, because pictures speak and do wonders. It's so easy to make pools and landscape gardens look amazing on social media. However, the Strikehold is a different beast. So I'm part of the US. So the headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm the business development manager for the US. So I look after the international sales for that, and I grow Australia and the Asia Pacific region as well. So for me, Facebook has been a challenge. LinkedIn and Instagram not so much, but Facebook, with their iOS updates and all their changes, their algorithms and things, your keywords get messed around, and so you've really got to get your marketing right and do all your cold audience to your warm audience, and then you've got to get your video views out. It's quite advanced. However, if you do it all through Chantal, she makes it easy. It's a step-by-step module, and you then get to practice doing things like this, Facebook Lives, and just building your confidence, growing as you do, as a business owner does. But it's good to have Chantal as a mentor there, backing you all the way, giving you 100% support. Her team of VAs and all her experts in the back end, she's got a solution to every problem, so it's good. We've had some trolls that we've had to delete, and they've just come in and showed us how to do all that type of thing. So obviously, as soon as you start to hit the market, your competitors do troll things and try and get rid of you as best they can, because business is like war, right? It's a bit of a march out there. So once you're a soldier out in the field, you've got to be prepared to be able to defend yourself and grow and scale. So for us, it's like being in bulldozers. We don't take no for an answer. We just keep going and we bulldoze through, and pretty much having someone like Chantal in your back end is brilliant. It just really gives you that food for thought of nothing's really too much of a challenge. We just need to know all the obstacles that we're coming into, and if we do hit obstacles, how to get through them, and Chantal is really good at fixing that type of thing up. So guys, if you want to learn more about online marketplaces and how to get yourself across social media professionally with a very good support team, we have a weekly Facebook group. It's an online marketplace group actually these days. It used to be covering Facebook, but now we cover all of the online platforms, and that's really exciting. So if you want to get involved, I strongly advise to jump into the VIP weekly social group that we brainstorm, and we do lots and lots of things that really help. And there's so many tips out there that you'd never know if you weren't paying in a group to find out. So when you put an ROI on this type of thing, we're hitting big numbers now. That some of our feeds we're getting over 40,000 reach, which is pretty amazing. But that's all from the start of learning the system, how to build an audience, how to create your keywords, how to get people to watch full-length video views, what to do with those video views when you've made them, how to crank them out into another ad campaign, all that type of thing. There's lots to it, and Chantal is the maestro at this. So I strongly advise, if you want to do anything on social media, give Chantal a discovery call. She's got a system there where she can book you into the calendar, and you can just jump online and take your business to that next level. So hopefully I've given you a bit of interest there, and you can always hook me up. I'm available on Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, so it's just Daryl Bancroft, Strike Hold and Alpha LED Lighting. So just, yeah, give us a hook up, and I'm happy to connect you with Chantal or the team, and give you any advice that you need. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.